Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to see how to integrate Shopify with Shippo. Let's get started by opening our Shopify admin page and navigate to Add Apps. Click on All Recommended Apps and then select Shopify Apps Store. Search for Shippo and install it on Shopify store. After installing the application, you will need to create a Shippo account. Once you have finished creating your account, you will receive a welcome message from Shippo. To view your Shopify orders using Shippo, you will need to complete all the requirements on the left sides of your screen. Let's do this step by step. First, insert your info and click Save and Continue. You can skip the shipping preferences for now. Choose a plan. Let's stick with the free one for this demo and click Get Started. Here, you can create label orders for shipment from your store. Enter the sender address, add order item information, and fill in the package details. Don't forget to verify your Shippo account through your email. Now, let's head back to our Shopify store to see the order we saved on Shippo. Click on Settings, then find Apps and Sales Channel. Open the Shippo app to view your orders for shipment. Thank you for watching.